Let's turn now, if we can, to Eddie from North Birmingham. Eddie, we appreciate you holding as well. Go right ahead with your question, if you will.
Yes, my question is, in 2008, a truck driver, and I was coming through Waxahachie, Texas, about 3 o'clock in the morning. I went up under the bridge on I-35, and it was 3 police officers parked up under the bridge with their lights off. So about 5 minutes after I passed by them, the one came and pulled me over and opened up my passenger door and he said, "How you doing today, sir?" I said, "Fine, sir. You mind getting out?" So they gave me a sobriety test and everything. Then the 3 of them got together and they talked and they said, "Well, we're going to take you to jail for DUI." I said, "What you mean for DUI? I'm not drinking." So after that, they took me to jail for 46 days in Waxahachie, Texas. I never went to court. So finally, when I went to court, the judge said that he was dismissing the case because they didn't have no case against me. So the public defender that they gave me ended up telling me I had to come back to Texas for court to go before the judge again. So I went back. The public defender didn't even stay in the courtroom with me. He said, "Well, Eddie, the DA going to dismiss you, you be gone." So now that I still have my CDL, I never lost my license during this whole process. I still have possession number CDL license. And so all the time now, I'm trying to get another truck driving job, and it's showing up on my license as I have the DUI. But I was never charged with no DUI.
Okay. That's wow, what a situation. Your advice for Eddie, Rob?
Well, I'd stay out of Texas.
Yeah,
That's crazy. That is a crazy scenario. Did you say you were driving a tow truck?
No, sir. I drive tractor trailer truck. I was driving for a company called Cecil Wilkins
Yeah,
Truck.
I understand. You're driving an 18-wheel. You're a commercial driver. You have a CDL.
Yes.
That's your life. That's what you do for a living. There's millions of trucks out there, and that keeps America moving, obviously. I would contact, I don't know where it happened in Texas, but your venue is going to be Texas. I may contact Texas where that happened at and see if they can clear that. If there's a possibility of doing, did they charge you with anything at all?
They didn't charge me with anything, sir. Then after they got me to the jail, they did the alcohol sobriety test. Then they went, when I got before the judge the first time, they say they sent the blood work off. Then they had to resend it off again. I asked them, "What you sent it off the second time for that you didn't see the first time?"
Well, your best defense is the fact they charge you with nothing. And that's what I would argue to an employer. You still have your commercial driver's license, your CDL, which is precious. I mean, you don't want to lose that with what you do for a living. I would contact a local attorney in that area, where the county where that happened, see if there's a way to possibly expunge or remove that record and expunge and get that off in a way where on a background check that does not show or appear.
Absolutely. And Eddie, I certainly wish you the best with that situation, because that really sounds like it's a difficult one.
That's tough.